In the mid-20th century, a thrilling and transformative competition unfolded beyond our atmosphere. Known as the space race, this intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union transcended mere technological advancement, ushering in an era of profound scientific exploration and geopolitical tension. Our journey begins during the backdrop of the Cold War, a time when ideological differences between East and West dominated global affairs. The Soviets shocked the world on October 4, 1957, with the launch of Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. This seemingly small metallic sphere sent ripples across the planet, triggering a sense of urgency in the United States. Sputnik's success was more than just a symbol of Soviet prowess. It represented a potential shift in the balance of power, with overarching implications for military and technological supremacy. In response, the United States accelerated its space endeavors. The establishment of NASA in 1958 marked a pivotal moment as America sought to regain its footing in the celestial race. The Mercury and Gemini programs became the staging ground for critical innovations, each launch an incremental step toward the goal of human spaceflight. It was during this period of feverish development that President John F. Kennedy boldly declared the ambition to send an American astronaut to the moon before the decade's end. Meanwhile, the Soviets continued to make strides. In 1961, they achieved another milestone with the historic flight of Yuri Gagarin, the first human to orbit the Earth. His mission, Vostok 1, not only showcased Soviet engineering, but also cast a spotlight on the realm of human exploration beyond our terrestrial confines. This triumph further intensified the race, pushing both nations to new frontiers with each subsequent mission. As tensions and aspirations soared, the Apollo program emerged as the United States' vanguard strategy. Riding on the success of previous missions, Apollo 11 became a defining moment in human history. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin descended onto the lunar surface, leaving footprints that echoed with the fulfillment of Kennedy's audacious vision. Armstrong's immortal words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," resonated worldwide, symbolizing not only American achievement, but also the shared triumph of human ingenuity. The impact of the space race, however, extended far beyond technological marvels and political rivalries. It catalyzed scientific progress, leading to advancements in fields such as telecommunications, meteorology, and materials science. These technological breakthroughs laid the groundwork for modern conveniences we often take for granted today, from satellite communications to computer technologies. As the space race matured through the 1970s, its nature began to shift from competitive to collaborative. The Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975 heralded a new era of international cooperation, a sentiment that continues to underpin global space endeavors. In reflection, the space race was much more than an astronomical contest between superpowers. It was a defining chapter in the story of humankind's quest for knowledge, an era that shaped not only our understanding of the universe, but also the destiny of nations. The legacy of this celestial rivalry endures, inspiring generations to look skyward, forever contemplating what lies beyond our earthly horizon.